Greetings, this is Joe Tate with Tates PC. I'm doing a quick video on some basic addition in Excel. We're working with the sum formula, so without further ado. I'm going to magnify the area that we're going to be working with so I can show you guys how to work with the sum formula in a couple of different ways. First, showing you what the sum formula is. This is going to give you the sum or the additive calculations of different cells, rows, or columns in Excel. So I'm going to select the week 1 next to the week 1. I'm going to put an equal sum open bracket, which is Shift 9. Then I'm going to left click and hold on the days that are underneath it. And then I'm going to put a closing bracket, which is Shift 0. So we're going to see that it adds up these cells, and it will change automatically when you change the content. It will automatically update. So now we're going to take this content and we're going to replicate it and make some minor changes here. So we're going to say this is 4, this is 1, we'll come over here and say this is 5, and this is 3, and we'll come over here and say this is 5. Okay, so now we have different values, but I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways to work with this again. So when we are creating the same calculation over and over again, it may seem like you need to do a lot of busy work, but you actually don't. You can actually select your formula, copy it, and paste it, and it will automatically update what cells it's working with based on the previous sequence of cells. So pasting formulas does not grab the calculations from this column, it grabs the calculations from the 5 beneath it, because that's what you did the previous 2 times. Excel is actually pretty smart in that nature. Additionally, instead of doing a left click and hold, one of the other things you can do is you can select each cell individually. So in this situation, I'm going to select the first week, then I'm going to hold down the control key and select the second week, the third week, and the fourth week. Then I'm going to put in my end bracket, which again is Shift and 0, and it will give me the total from all of the weeks. Now, this is a formula that's based on other formulas. It doesn't matter. It will still update this week and the total automatically. So that's a little bit of working with the sum formula. Using functions in Excel are a great way to speed things up. But if you want to do math calculations in Excel, I suggest you get used to formulas. There's a lot of great stuff you can do. And there's an example of a couple different ways you can set it up.